been going for a while.
You have to say hello.
Sup?
Hey there! We're baking with Bella today. What are you making, Bella?
We're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, and I always make these for like my team and my friends and family, and they're really good.
So you take softened butter. How much butter?
1 cup.
And
really
these,
soft.
this is really soft. I need a spoon. Can you get a
Okay,
spoon?
wait, ready?
Uh-huh. Did you wash your hands?
Yep, they're clean.
There's a lot more
I need a towel
butter.
now. And butter woman.
Sorry, Bella. So you have butter and what else?
Okay, and then we're gonna add 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar.
Here.
And then you cream those together. And then you add in the 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
So let's keep going.
So, yeah.
Oh, and if you have brown sugar that's hard, because it just sits in your,
Just put some bread in it.
you put bread in it and it softens the bread. Now use your finger on this.
Oh, now you need my finger.
Uh-huh. We should say hello to Sammy and
Oh,
Julia
I
and
just got butter everywhere.
Katie and butters everywhere.
Lovely.
We need this though, right?
Yeah, I just went to the gym.
Okay, so it's a cup of butter.
Yep.
How much sugar?
So 1 cup of each sugar. So 1 cup of packed brown sugar and then 1 cup of white sugar. Ooh, satisfying. I'm very weird.
Are you in a weird mood?
I
It's
am.
so good.
I'm always in a weird mood.
Did you say a cup of sugar and a cup of brown sugar?
Yeah.
Pour brown sugar, it's kind of hard. Wait, we need a little more. Should we unclump it?
I think we're good.
Wait, a little more. Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna cream this together until it's all creamy and fluffy. Very loud. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you put on fast.
And you be really careful with any kind of utensils, huh?
Yeah.
How much flour?
3 cups. So that's 2 right there.
And what else?
And then, give me a second.
Was it baking soda, baking powder?
It's baking soda. There's 1 teaspoon baking soda, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then I like have to whisk them together. And then 3 cups of flour. And we cook them for exactly 10 minutes. Yeah, for 10 minutes.
So now what are you doing?
Putting the flour and baking soda and salt and everything else mixture in.
Oops.
We put it on like the first level, so it's just low. And then slowly get better. You can't see it, but she is slowly getting the cookie better.
I'm sorry, I let my cookie go.
Granny gave it to us.
Really?
Yeah, she's really good.
Nice.
Let's see. Oh my god. Just scrape that off.
So is that everything except the chocolate chips?
Yeah. And I just mix the chocolate chips in by hand.
And how many chocolate chips?
2 cups of chocolate chips. Once it's done,
Oh, we do it by hand, right?
Yeah.
You said.
Try some.
Here. Do you want some, Kayla?
Sure.
Wait, should we? Oh, wait. Here, let's videotape. Watch. Kayla, let's put your hand in there.
Hey guys, I'm here finally again with another.
Yay! Thank you, Kayla, for being our camera girl.
You're welcome.
Yum. Okay, so Bella, how big are the cookies when you make them?
I use one of those little scoopers. So they're really small, but they grow. So I use this and I just scoop it up and pop it on. So I just do this up against the wall and boom.
Boom, about an inch. Oh, they're tiny.
Yeah, they're tiny.
Oh, they're cute.
And then how long do they bake?
10 minutes at 350 degrees.
Okay, we'll be back.
10 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Did you put?
Thank you. They're all like really.
How can you tell when they're done?
Well, you'll see how they're all fluffed up on the top, and then when you press it down, it like fluffs down a little bit.
Okay.
That's how these cookies are. Ta-da!
So we just want to say goodbye. Oh my gosh, you're so good. Thank you, Bella. Love you.
Mwah.
Bye-bye.
It tastes like an ice cream cookie.
Does it? Oh, it does.
It's
Yum.
like one you would put on top of ice cream.
So delish.
I think it's the crisp.
Happy Cookie Day. Bye.